Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get quantity in Excel. First, let's understand what quantity means in this context. It's about counting how many items, cells, or values meet specific criteria within your data range. Whether you're tracking inventory, sales figures, or survey responses, knowing how to accurately count is fundamental. We'll explore the most straightforward and effective methods to achieve this, ensuring your data analysis is precise and reliable. While SUM is primarily for adding values, it can indirectly help with quantity if each item has a value of 1. For instance, if you have a column where each entry represents 1 unit, summing that column gives you the total count. This is particularly useful when dealing with numerical quantities like number of units or total items. Just select your range, apply the SUM function, and Excel does the rest, providing a quick total. For direct counting, Excel offers the count and counta functions. Count is perfect when you only want to tally cells that contain numbers. If your data includes text, dates, or any non-numeric entries that you still want to count, then counta is your go-to. It counts any cell that isn't blank, giving you a comprehensive total of populated cells. Understanding this distinction is key to accurate data analysis. For more complex counting scenarios, countif and countifs are invaluable. Countif lets you count cells based on a single criterion, such as counting all instances of apples in a list. Countifs extends this by allowing multiple criteria, like counting apples that are also red and fresh. These functions provide incredible flexibility for detailed data analysis. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.